Chapter number 11, Practice Set 11.2. We have seen the introduction of subdivided bar diagram. Now we will solve the problems with the help of subdivided bar diagram. Here, first problem is given. Observe the following graph and answer the questions. Here you have a graph and you have to answer these questions from this graph by observing this graph. So let us see what is given in the graph, and according to that what are the questions and what will be the answer for those graph. State the type of graph. First of all, you can see here that it is single bar and it is divided from between, and so it is a subdivided bar graph. This is a bar graph and it is subdivided bar graph. How much is the savings of Vaishali in the month of April? In the month of April we have to see for Vaishali. This is Vaishali's bar graph. Then what is saving? We have to see saving. Here it is written saving in rupees. So this y-axis shows savings in the month of April. So we have to see Vaishali's savings in the month of April. It is shown in blue color. Savings in April, blue color. So see here, match it with this column where it matches for y-axis, that we have to see the savings of Vaishali in the month of April is 600. Here going from this line we can see it is matching at 600. Third question. How much is the total of saving of Saroj in the month March and April? In the March and April for Saroj. This is Saroj's bar. Now savings in April and savings in March. Savings in April is in blue color and saving in March is in white color. So we have to see total of savings. So we have to find out total of these April as well as March savings. So total reaches at 800. So the total of savings of Saroj in the month of March and April is 800. Okay. Total savings of Saroj in the months of March and April is 800. Fourth question. How much more is the total savings of Savita than the total savings of Megha? We have to compare the savings of Savita and Megha. So here total savings of Savita is 1000 and total savings of Megha is near about 500. Okay. So total savings of Savita equals to rupees 1000 and total savings of Megha equals to rupees 500. Now we have to compare, means we have to find the difference. So 1000 minus 500 is 500. So 500 is the difference, means how much more is the total savings of Savita? 500 rupees more is the total saving of Savita as compared to Megha. Now whose saving in the month of April is the least? So let us see the savings in the month of April. So here Savita's saving in month of April is 600. Saroj's saving in month of April is 400. Varsha's also 400. Megha as near about 200 and Vaishali near about 600. So Megha's saving in month of April is least, that is 200. Savings of Megha in the month of April is the least, that is 200. Question number 2. The number of boys and girls in standard 5 to standard 8 in a ZP school is given in the table. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Here scale is also given. On y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 10 students. Means we have to write the students on y-axis, and scale we have to keep 1 centimeter equals to 10. Now we have to draw the subdivided bar graph as shown in the following figure. See here the figure I have drawn. Table is already given to you. So first of all what we will do, we will take a bar graph, and as per the steps we have to draw this x-axis, this y-axis, and number of students that we have to take on y-axis. So these are the number of students on y-axis, and the distance should be 1 centimeter equals to 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on, that we will take according to this table, given table. Now here boys are given for 5th standard 34 boys, for 6th standard 26 boys, For 7th standard 21 boys and for 8th standard 25 boys. Likewise, girls are given 5th standard 17, 6th standard 14, 7th standard 14, 8th standard 20. So we will color the graph accordingly. 5th standard light grey color is given, 6th standard somewhat dark grey, 7th standard more dark grey, and 8th standard completely dark grey color we have given. This is single bar, but different colors show different standards. Okay, so in 5th standard boys are 34 and girls are 17. So this is boys graph, this is girls graph. Now boys in 5th standard are 34, so mark this line here at 34 position, and for girls in 5th standard girls are 17 only, so for girls the height is at 17. Okay, this is 10, this is 20, so this is 17. Mark this line as girls in 5th standard. Now next we have to find out 6th standard boys, that is 26. So after this line we will calculate above 26. Okay, so boys in 6th standard are 26. So from 34 we have to add 26 to this bar and we will get the boys in 6th standard. So mark this at position 60. 34 plus 26, that is 60. Now again 7th standard boys are 21. So add 21 to this 60. What you will get after adding 21 to 60? You will get here 81. So mark this at 81 point. Now 8th standard boys are 25. So add 25 to this 81. And what you will get? You will get 106. So mark here at this position at 106. This is 100, this is 110. So 106 will come here. So this height of the bar graph bar is 106. From this the boys in 5th standard are marked here, 6th standard boys marked here, then 7th standard boys marked here, and remaining are 8th standard till here. Similarly we have to do for girls also. First of all in 5th standard we have marked 17 girls. Now in 6th standard 14. So add 17 plus 14. What you will get? 31. So mark at 31 6th standard girls. Then 7th standard girls are 14. So again add 31 with 14 and you will get here mark at 45. Then again add 20 for 8th standard girls. So add 20 at this position at 45. So you will get here 65. So mark at 65 position. So total girls are 65 and total boys are 106. This single bar can show number of boys in different standards, and this single bar can show number of girls in different standard. We have seen here subdivided bar graph, how to draw. In the following table, number of trees planted in the year 2016 and 17 in 4 towns is given. Show the data with the help of subdivided bar graph. Now here you are given one table. Town is given and year is given. Town is Karjat, Vadgaon, Shivapur and Khandala, and the year is 2016 and 2017. Now you have to draw the subdivided bar graph. So let us draw here subdivided bar graph in the same manner as we have studied already. So here take x-axis and this is y-axis. On x-axis take the year 2016 and 2017, and on y-axis take the town. Now mark these towns with different colors. You are given here 4 towns. So take 4 colors for different towns. Karjat is given in light grey color, Vadgaon thoda sa dark grey, then Shivapur more dark grey, and then Khandala is darkest grey color. Now here mark the years given accordingly. Karjat, trees planted in Karjat in 2016 is 150. So 2016 is this bar 150. Then again Vadgaon. So add 150 to 250 and you will get here 400. Then again add for Shivapur 200 to this 400. So you will get here 600. Then add 100 for Khandala. So you will get here 600 to 700. Now same you have to do for 2017. 200 Karjat 200. Then for Vadgaon add 300 to 200, you will get here 500. Then for Shivapur add 250, you will get here 750. And then for Khandala add again 150, so you will get here 900. So this is the subdivided bar graph. Fourth question you can solve now by yourself. You are already given here everything. So this is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. For reference purpose, I am giving you this fourth question answer. In the following table, data of transport means used by student in 8th standard for communication between home and school is given. Draw a subdivided bar diagram to show the data. Scale is also given. On y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 500 students. So 500, then add 500, that is 1000, then 1500 and so on. This on y-axis. On x-axis we have to write the means of transport, that is given as cycle, bus and auto, and on foot. Then do the same pattern. Pattern 3250. So cycle 3250. Then add for Yeola 1500 more. Then add for Shahpur 1250 more. Then similarly bus and auto 750. Then add 500 and then add again 500. Then for on foot 1000. Then add 1000 and then add 500. So this is the subdivided bar graph.